how to create a website for free in South Africa. So by going through this video, you'll be able to create your own website looking just like this. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply go to Google, and then I want you to search for byt.host, just like this one. Type it this way and then hit enter. Okay, so it's going to take you right to their platform, and you can host your website for free without paying any money. Okay, what you have to do is just come here where it says free hosting, then come and click on free hosting plans, and then over here you can host your website with them for free. Okay, so all that you have to do is just scroll down to the bottom where we have the sign up for a plan. This one, just come and then click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to go through a short sign up process, and all that you have to simply do is to simply come here, and then where we have the subdomain name, come and put in the name that you prefer, come and put in the password, and then come and put in your email address, and then over here the site category, come and then select the one that you want. I'm going to select personal for this tutorial, and then come and select the site language as English. Okay, then over here where we are having the security code, come and type in what you see right here. Okay, then come and click on register. So I'm going to select a subdomain name as Benny's Trading. Okay, just like this one, and then all that I have to do is to simply come and then click on register. Okay, so what you have to do now is that you have to activate your email account. Okay, they will send you a verification code right into your email that you have to activate it. If you don't receive it, just come and then click on this link, and then they are going to resend it for you. So within your email, what you have to do is that you have to go to your inbox. Okay, click on it, and then you are going to see this message right here. Click on it, and then come and click on report not spam. Okay, and then they are going to send you the message directly into your inbox. So let's go to the inbox, and then this is the message. Okay, so as you can see, we have done the registration. Just come and click on the link, and then they are going to send you all the details that you need to host your website. So as you can see, our website URL is here. Just come and then click on it to see that the website is active. So as you can see, congratulations, our hosting has been activated. Okay, what that you have to do is to just open our control panel to then upload our website. Okay, so just come here, the username, come and then copy it. Okay, and then the control panel URL, come and then open it. Okay, so just open it, and then over here just come and then accept the cookies. They use cookies. Okay, just come and click on got it to accept it, and then just come here and then come and paste the username right here, and then come and then put in your password, and then all that you have to do is just come and click on login. Okay, so you'll be asked to accept by simply coming here and then come and click on I approve, and then after that you'll be logged in directly into your control panel. Okay, so when you come under the statistics, this is what you get from the free plan: a subdomain, you have add-on domains, and then you have 5 GB storage to host your WordPress website. Okay, and then you have unlimited bandwidth as well. Okay, so what you have to do is to just come here, the Subtaculous app installer, and then come and click on it. You are going to see the WordPress right here. Then you can simply come in and then click on the install to install it. Okay, so what you have to do is to just come here, the down button, just come and click on it, and then come and select quick install. Okay, and then over here just come and then put in your admin account by putting your admin username. Then you have to put in your password. If you don't want to put it yourself, you can simply come and then click on this key for it to be generated for you, and then you can copy it and save it. Okay, so when you are done, simply come down here and then come and click on the install. So after clicking on the install, you see that WordPress will install just for you, just like this one. And over here, as you can see, congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. Okay, so we can simply come here, the administrative URL, and then come and click on it, and then we'll be logged into our dashboard just like this one. Okay, so over here, what you have to do now is that we have to update our WordPress. Okay, so when you come here, over here where it says please update now, and then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on it over here, just come here where it says update to version, and then come and click on it. Okay, and then our WordPress is going to be updated. So as you can see, we have successfully updated. Let's visit our site by clicking on visit site, and now we have successfully created our website. But now let's customize our website for it to look nice. Okay, what we have to do now is to simply go to the dashboard, and then over here where it says the appearance, just come and then select the appearance, and then come and select the themes. Okay, so when you click on it, let's add a new new theme by coming here and then click on add new theme. And then over here under the popular theme over here, just come and then search for one of the popular theme, which is Astra. Okay, we can preview the Astra by clicking on the preview, and then over here we can simply come and then install it by simply coming here and then click on the install. Okay, so when you click on install, all that you have to do is just wait for it to finish installing, and then when it's finished, just come and then click on the activate for it to be activated. Okay, so now over here we have all these starter templates to start with, so simply come here and then come and click on let's get started. Okay, and then wait for it to finish activating. And then over here we have two ways that we can create our website. Okay, so the first one that we can use is to select a classic starter template that is built already by selecting this one, or we can simply come in and come and use the AI to build our website for us by clicking on try the new AI builder. I prefer the AI, so let's select that one. So after selecting it, what you have to do is to come here and then sign up with the ZipWP platform, and then it is going to use it to build it. Okay, so just come here and then come and click on let's get started. It is free and we can build our website within some few seconds. Okay, so what you have to do is that it is totally free. You don't have to pay any money. So what you have to do is to just come here and then come and create an account by simply coming to click on sign up. Okay, with your Google account. Over here, just come and then select your email address, and then just come here and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so when you click on it, your account is going to be created, and then all that you have to do is just come and click on the continue. And over here we are going to go through all these steps and then create our website. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to just come and then put in the name of your website here. I'm going to call my website Benny's Trading Blog. Okay, then just come here and then come and select the purpose of your website. Okay, so you can select any of these: agency, restaurants, whatever, but I'm going to select entrepreneur. Okay, so after selecting it, you can also come and then select the language that you prefer. I'm going to leave it at English, and then just come here and then come and click on the continue. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to describe your website so that the AI will be able to generate a perfect one for you. Okay, so if you don't want it, you can simply come and click on write using AI, and then the AI is going to generate one for you. Just read through and then customize it to fit your preference. If you don't want to, just come and then click on improve using AI. Okay, and then to regenerate a different one for you. When you're ready, just come and click on the continue, and then over here just come and then set your contact details that people is going to use to contact you by putting in your email here. Then you also have to come and put in your phone number right here. Okay, and then after that you can also add your address right here in this box. Beside that one, you can always add your social media handles to it by simply coming here to click on the plus sign, and then you have to select any of these social media handles that you want to add to the website. Okay, but I'm going to skip all this for now by clicking on the skip step. Okay, and then the next thing I have to do is to select a free stock images for your website. Okay, so after selecting it, the ones that you prefer, you can always see the selected images right here by clicking on the selected images. Okay, and then these are the pictures that you have selected. Don't select more than 20 for one website. You can always add more later. Okay, and then if you have your own pictures, you can simply come and click on upload your own pictures here by simply coming to select this, and then you'll be able to upload your own pictures for the AI to build it for you. Okay, if you want to search for a new picture, you can always come and click on search results, and you can choose any of these pictures. Okay, so when you are done, just come here where it says the continue, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, and then the next thing is to come and select the structure of your website. That is how your website is going to look like. We have all these structures that you can select from. Okay, you can simply put the mouse on it, and then it will show you from the top to the bottom how your website is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to go through and then select this one. It fits my preferences, and then I like it, so I'm going to choose this one by simply clicking on it. Okay, so when you click on it over here, you can upload your own website logo. If you have a logo somewhere, you can simply come and click on it, and then it will be uploaded for you. You can change the font of your website by selecting any of these, and then you can change the color palette by selecting any of these. Okay, if you don't want the selected design, you can simply come in and click and go back to design and select a different one. Okay, so when you're ready, just come here and then come and click on continue, and then you can simply come and select any of these features to be added to your website. So we have the donations that you can check the box for it to be added. If you don't want it, you can leave it. And then we have the sales funnel as well. We also have the live chat that you can always check the box for it to be added. And then you can also come and then select the automation as well. And one of the important aspects of it is the video player as well. I'm going to skip all these by simply coming here where it says skip and then start building, and then click on it for the AI to start building my website for me. Okay, so over here, just sit back, relax, and then allow the AI to finish building your website for you. So as you can see, hooray, we have successfully created our website. Okay, so now we have to visit our website by simply coming here where it says see your website, and then click on it, and then our website has been created, designed in such an awesome way that it will attract traffic. Okay, so this is the website. We have been able to create it simple, on point, and nice to fit our preferences based on the one that we selected. Okay, so this is how to create a free website here in South Africa, okay, without you paying for any domain, any hosting, and then it is totally free. Okay, so now that we have been able to create a website, it is left for the design or for the customization. If you want to change anything within the website, we can do that. Okay, so to customize is just come to the customize and then click on it, and then we have all of these to choose from that we can use to customize it. Okay, we can always switch to the desktop mode, the tablet mode, and then the phone mode as well. Okay, and then to change anything, just put the mouse on it and then come and click on the edit button, and then you'll be able to edit anything. We also have our menu here, and then we also have our get started button also here as well. Okay, so you can do the changes, anything that you want. When you are done, just come to where it says the published, and then come and click on the published, and your website is going to be live just like this one. Okay, one important aspect of every website is the SSL certificate. So over here it says not secure. When you put the mouse on it and then you click on it, it says connection to this site is not secured. It simply means that our SSL certificate was not installed automatically when we were creating our website. Don't worry, I'm having a full video teaching you how to get a free SSL certificate for your website on my channel, so check it out and then install the free SSL certificate and enjoy using your website. Thank you, like the video, and then see you in my next video.